Alright, what is going on, bruh? It's your boy Vynz here, and welcome to a brand new video. Today's gonna be a little bit different. I'm actually gonna bring you guys along with me to one of my clients. I'm just getting everything ready, set up now. Got the camera, the intro, everything in the lanes. The protein for the gains, bruh. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna go there, film a couple promotional videos, and then tonight, actually, Powerhouse on Jeps Cross, they invited me and the whole VynzArmy to come train there. They gave me like a free 10-day pass with a mate as well, and we're just gonna go there, and it's smart leg day, so we're gonna go train some legs and maybe some shoulders and arms, just to make the video look a little bit more entertaining. But it should be good. So yeah, I just wanna bring you all guys along, and I hope you enjoy. Let's do this. Do you want to be in the vlog? Say what's up.
Hey,
what's going on, guys?
everybody? What's going on?
Shooting a video, promotional video for Up and Soul Studio. So if you need a tattoo done, come check them out. They're amazing, man. Amazing work. Done. What's going on, brother? Alright, what is going on, guys? I'm back at home now, and I've just officially launched the online store. So if you're watching this video right now, first link in the description will take you to my official online store, and you'll be able to grab yourself some merch, some VynzBRAH merch. I'm wearing the hoodie right now with the logo at the front, font here on the side. All the products here, I got like the tank, the carbon sticker, hoodie, t-shirt, cap. So make sure you show some support and go get something. Thank you all so much for all those who actually already bought stuff from it, and anyone who will in the near future. Thank you guys. So yeah, soon now we're about to go to the gym. Got the whole VynzArmy coming. We're gonna go train Powerhouse, and it's gonna be dope. Looking forward to it. So yeah, I really appreciate anyone who buys anything, even if it's like a $5 sticker. Like, that means a lot to me. Yeah, just the support that I've been given recently is amazing. Make sure you follow my Instagram, VynzBRAH, and yeah, let's fucking do this, bruh. Guys, we're here, most of the crew is with me. So Ransom's over there doing cardio, but we're about to start with doing some shoulders, and then we'll move along, we'll do some biceps and triceps. Let's get this. I got a bit of that.
I work with kids, so it's pretty much just everybody should be doing that.
Yeah, this is what I have to put up.
So funny.
What are you doing? Human centipede happening right here.
No, I don't must.
Alright, just come do some weird stuff. Do your shuffle, boy.
Nobody wants to get in there. You're gonna be like, close the screen. Yes, cross the screen.
So fail.
I'm gonna go straight into my boyfriend. Go over that ready for me. I can't do it.
10 out of 10 for effort though.
That was so good though until you laid on your ass. But you're right, it was still fabulous. I mean, put me on a trampoline and I got you good.
Alright guys, I'm going to wrap up the video here. I just want to say a massive thank you to all these legends who came train today with me at Powerhouse. Thank you all guys. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out everybody.